Hello everyone, Alex here from Alpine.Trails, and I'm just about to pack for my Peak Lenin expedition. Let's quickly have a look and see what I'm going to take with me. Scarpa B1 hiking boots. I'm going to use those for approach and from base camp to camp 1. After that I'm going to swap in the La Sportiva Spandex double boot. We'll use those on the summit bit as well. Down booties for use around the tent. 2 new thick mountaineering socks from Icebreaker, some thinner ones, medium thickness, and some liners from Smartwool, about 8 pairs altogether. Pair of shorts, light walking trousers, pair of climbing soft shell, thicker soft shell insulated, and a pair of hard shell underneath. I got my high gloves, barrier insulated pants for the summit bit, and then 2 merino leggings from Icebreaker. For the tops, Patagonia Nano Air, soft shell from Montaigne, a light fleece from North Face, 260-200 tops from Icebreaker, hard shell, Montaigne Alpine Pro, 3 synthetic t-shirts. I've got some 6-7 pairs of merino boxers as well, 2 sun caps, buff, balaclava, beanie, and then my summit hat, sunglasses from Julbo, and spare goggles, Thermarest foam mat and inflatable mat. Made myself a sit chair there. Inflatable pillow from Life Venture, sleeping bag liner, quick drying towel. That's going to be my pack. It's an Osprey variant 52. I don't want to be carrying any more than that. Some hand warmers, 3 pair of gloves, a light soft shell, a double thicker one I'm going to use most of the time, and then there's a Summit Series Himalayan mitt from North Face. That's going to be my summit glove. Mountain equipment K7, my down jacket. Moving on, 2 bottles of waters. I need to buy an insulated sleeve for that. I got a soft flask as well from Hydropack. I'll have this in my jacket for the summit bit. Thermal flask, MSR wind burner, few dry bags to keep my stuff nice and dry, metal mug, Swiss Army travel knife. Have some IKEA Ziploc bags. Obviously I'm not going to take them all. I'm going to pack some protein shakes in those. Long's pork, just bought this a few days ago. For food, we're going to take some freeze-dried food, about 9 lunch packs, 6 breakfast, morning oats with raspberry, and 6 desserts, chocolate mousse with cherry and granola. We'll use this on horror camps. Some almonds, some energy drinks here, Cliff bars, different flavors, never leave without those, and some chia charge bars. Documents, tablet, notebook, some pens, my action camera with a mount, GPS tracking device, Sunto Traverse with a HR belt, my smartphone, new hand strap for my action camera. Never used this. Hopefully it's gonna work. Nikon point and shoot camera, different cables, tripod, 2 power bank chargers. I don't have any solar panels. We have electricity in base camp and camp 1, so there's no need for that now. Got my main head torch, Mammoth X-Shot, and a spare one from Petzl. Bunch of batteries. I'm going to use this lithium energizer. A pack of wet wipes. Let's get into the shower. Some tissues, a bunch of first aid kits. I got a big main one. I got a travel wash bag there. Small first aid kit is going to be in my pack all the time. Harnessed black diamond momentum, Crivel G12s. They're a bit heavy, but I don't want to be buying a new pair. Helmet, a black diamond vector. Some runners, slings, belay device, hiking poles, DMM circ. Again, a bit heavy, but that's been with me everywhere so far, so I'm gonna take that. And obviously Romanian flag. On top of this, I'll have my sleeping bag, and everything needs to fit in this 90-liter duffel bag. I've got a few hours to figure out how, but in the end we'll get there. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below the video. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Please share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.